Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to create an animation like this inside 3ds Max and tyflow. So before starting, let's see the result first. You can find sample scene file and extra tutorial directly on my Patreon channel, so feel free to check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give a like. It helps the channel a lot. Okay, so let's see how we can create this animation inside 3ds Max. It's gonna be a short tutorial because it's very easy and simple. I have a cylinder here and I add a edit poly modifier on top of this and modified this, change the shape and add turbo smooth modifier and UVW map on the top. Okay, so let's create a new tyflow object, move it up, open editor and add a birth object, pick this cylinder object and add a spin operator, change the spin axis to vertice because we want to rotate this object around the z-axis, and add a physics shape. Leave it the default setting. Play with the spin value, spin rate maybe 250 to 1000, maybe negative value minus 2000, minus 20,000, let me add a material to this. Okay, I will tell tyflow that start the particles from minus 70 frame because it will rotate from clockwise and then reverse. So I will tell tyflow that start from negative 70 frame, and that's it. Yes, you can play with the value of the spin rate to achieve what you want. There's nothing special more. And finally you can add a mesh operator that now it can be renderable. If I start the IPR rendering, you can see that it's renderable, and here is the result. It's very fast, very easy, very simple, and tyflow make life easier. So that's it guys for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for the watching and take care.